Fix slippery floors quickly and effectively. You will need a floor cleaner, an anti-slip treatment. Always test a small area first. Step 1. Clean the surface. Apply the cleaner, scrub thoroughly using a cloth, mop, or brush. Rinse with clean water. Allow the surface to dry completely. Step 2. Apply anti-slip treatment. Apply evenly across the surface, allow it to sit as per instructions. Time varies depending on surface. Step 3. Final rinse. Once the treatment time is complete, rinse thoroughly with clean water. Allow the surface to dry completely. You're done. The surface now has more grip without changing its appearance.